Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to fade two images together in Photoshop. Select the Reposition tool from the left side toolbar. Click on one of the pictures. Drag and drop the picture into the photo you want to merge it with. Click OK in the pop-up window. Click on Edit at the top menu bar and select Free Transform from the list. Resize the picture. Click on the check mark once you're done. Select the layer with the second picture on the right side of the screen. Click on Add Vector Mask at the bottom of the screen. Select Gradient tool from the left side toolbar. Click on the gradient at the top of the screen. Select the gray preset. Click on the right black color block. Click on the arrow next to Color and select Background from the list. Click OK. Click on the picture and draw a line to apply gradient mask. Repeat as many times as necessary. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!